How do you do a voiceover on the iPad? Let me talk about it. If you're new here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So it depends on what type of voiceover you want to do. I know a lot of people who want to add it over their presentation. So for example, inside of the keynote or the Microsoft PowerPoint, you have the ability to add your voice right there, so you can literally just record audio directly into the presentation. That is one way of doing that. But if you want to add it into a video, then the best way by far for me would be to use a video editor, which is called CapCut. And this just allows me to import the clip into the timeline so I can start editing like that. I can click on add audio at the bottom and I can click on record. So I can be looking at the screen and the content as it's playing, and I'll be able to add my own commentary like above the video, right? So I'll be able to just add the voiceover like that. Or I might also already have it like made before, but I can click on the sounds here, then go to the folder, tap on my device, and I can select it from my Files app if I already have it right there. So as you can see, there are more ways how you can add voiceover, most likely to existing videos, but as you can tell, it's pretty simple. It's not really that much of work. So let me know if you managed to find it and make it work on your device as well. I really appreciate your feedback. Subscribe so you don't miss the next quick tips and straight to the point tutorials like this one, and I'll talk to you soon.